If you're parking uphill, that's going to be a bit different as well. It's probably a bit harder, and I'll show you what I mean. Somebody asked, can you show the foot controls while doing parking? So right now we're on a road that's not too hilly, and I'm going to show you. If it was on a hill, it might be slightly different. I'll probably show you that as well. So let's start off when it's a bit flat first of all. When you're first starting off, you want to put your clutch down, get into first gear, and I'm going to keep my clutch down until I'm ready to move. Now, once I'm ready to move, I've checked all around, bring my clutch to the biting point, and then slowly go to the spot where I'm going to start parking next to the car. So you notice I haven't come off the clutch, because if I do that, it's going to go way too fast. Then once I'm here, I'm going to put my clutch down, get into reverse so everyone around me knows what I'm doing. Then once it's safe, I'm going to come off the brake and then let the car start moving back by bringing the clutch just to the biting point and then down a little bit so that it doesn't go too fast. Keep checking all around me. Notice my clutch is down most of the time, because if I bring up too high, it's going to go way too fast. So I'm just keeping it down. And when I want a little bit of speed, I bring it just to the biting point again. Now the road is going a bit downwards by the camber, I'll put my clutch down most of the time and then stop for anybody going past. Keep checking around. Yeah, slowly. And then now I've got my foot near the brake as well, because I'll need the brake in a second. Once I can see that my car is straightening up, I'm not actually pressing the brake. I've got my foot just near it in case I need it. So like now I'll put my clutch down and then squeeze the brakes gently, handbrake on. While I've got my feet still on the clutch and the brake, handbrake on, neutral, and then I'll come off the pedals smoothly. When you're parking downhill, it's going to be a bit different, and I'll show you what I mean. So in this part now, we're on a slope and it's going downhill. So if I let go of the brake, you see it rolls downhill straight away. So this time, I'm not going to need the biting point because gravity is going to pull the car down. All I will need to do is come off the brake and the car will start rolling backwards. So you need to make sure that it's safe first and then come off the brake. You see the car starts rolling back. So I'm just using the brake mainly to control how fast I go down the hill. Just go nice and slow, keep checking everywhere. My clutch is still down because I don't need to bring it up. I've just got it down. I've just got it down because I'm in reverse, so the light comes on and everyone around me knows that I'm reversing. Because people suggested, oh, why don't you just put it into neutral? But when you go into reverse, the reverse light comes on, warning people around you that you're reversing. Remember, stop for anybody going past you as well, like this van here. I'll let them go past. Once they've gone, check again and keep moving off the brake, and then the car starts moving back straight away. What you don't want to do is start bringing the clutch up like this. You see, because now it's going to be too fast, and also I'm fighting the clutch and the brake. You don't do it like that because it's going to be too much strain on the clutch mechanism and the brakes as well. So instead, keep the clutch down and then just use the brakes to control how fast you're going down the hill. The whole time my clutch has been down, once it's straight, I can straighten up my wheels, stop like that, handbrake down, into neutral, and then now I can come off the clutch because it's in neutral. And I come off smoothly still, because if I've left it in gear by mistake, if I bring it up too fast, it's going to stall or it might go shooting backwards. If you're parking uphill, that's going to be a bit different as well. It's probably a bit harder, and I'll show you what I mean. So now we're on a park uphill, and if I come off the brake, you see the car rolls forward straight away because the car is going downhill, and then we're on a park up that way. So now we're going to have to do a lot more clutch control, because if you don't do it properly, we're going to roll forward too much. So in the first place, I'm going to look around, and as I'm doing that, I'm going to get my biting point, and I know that because the car starts rumbling a bit. Or you can use the handbrake technique if you prefer as well, but I'm just going to use the foot brake technique. And then once I've got the car at the biting point, I let go of the brake, then the car will start moving back slowly, and then there's a car coming towards us, so I'm just going to let them go past. So you notice that I brake straight away, because if you don't brake properly, the car is going to roll forward. So once the car's gone, get my biting point again while I've got my foot still on the brake, and then come off the brake now, and the car should start rolling back, moving back a bit. And notice I'm not bringing up the clutch too high, because if I do, you see it goes too fast. So to make it slow, I'm just keeping it around the biting point, no higher than the biting point, and then down again at the biting point, and then down again at the biting point, and then down again. And you notice I'm not bringing it down too much, because if I do that, the car starts rolling forward, which is what we don't want. So you just keep it around the biting point. Keep looking everywhere. Make sure I don't go too close to that pedestrian. Let him go past a little bit first, and then once it's gone, back to the biting point again. Keeping an eye on the curb, and then the whole time I was around the biting point. Now once I get here, I'm going to start thinking about braking soon, because the car is I'm almost finished now. So once it's straight, I'll brake first and then clutch down. Because if I was moving and then I put my clutch down first, you see the car rolls forward a little bit. We don't want that. So to make it stay where we want it to stay, we'll brake first while the clutch is still up, brake first and then down straight away. Yeah, that way it doesn't roll back. That's how you park uphill.